Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to another ultimate review by Purecast 9. First of all, let's get this out of the way. Okay, the barber shops are closed, all salons are closed, and even if they're open, I'm not going to risk COVID-19 by trying to get my hair cut. So this is a big mess, so stick with me. Alright, so today I'm going to give you my unbiased and ultimate review of the Zouk Showstopper, which is this big boy right here. Now this is a big boy, and as you can see, this is not a ultra portable speaker. This is a party speaker with a host of features which is ideally catered towards large gatherings or those party nights where you need a lot of volume and some extra bit of features, which I'll get into. Now talking about the specs of the speaker, it packs in 100 watts of output. Now, whether this is RMS or PMPO, I would personally lean more towards PMPO, not RMS. So I don't know exactly what the RMS is. They don't mention it. But if loudness is a factor, this has got you covered. Now, it also packs in 4000 milliamp hour inbuilt battery. Now, because this is a party speaker, as you can see, it's got LED lights over here. So if I change with the button here, there is a button layout on top, as you can see, and with the click of the light button, you can see that it's got a number of patterns which you can go for, and some with the light up based on the type of music you're playing. So that's kind of neat. And if you want, you can even turn that off and have a more stealthy, sleek look. So being a party speaker, you have the option of plugging in 2 wired microphones to this. And they also supply you with 1 wireless microphone, and that is specifically if you want to use the accompany option, which essentially allows you to perform karaoke. So if you want to jam to your favorite songs using that option, you can do that. Not just that, at the back you have 2 inputs for guitar, and you have a separate volume knob for that. So karaoke nights, plug in a guitar, and that entire jam session that you have, if you want to record it, you can directly plug in a pen drive and hit the record button, and you can record your session right from here. Now, you can also add echo to your voice when you're performing your karaoke, and you have separate bass and treble adjustment buttons. Now, in terms of connectivity, apart from being a Bluetooth enabled party speaker, you also have aux and USB input, so all those work fine, and it's really nice to have that. And I'm glad they put the buttons on top, because first of all, they're very clicky and tactile buttons. Now let me tell you what kind of do best here, and that is give you my verdict of how it sounds. How is the sound? How did it produce the 3 frequencies, the highs, the mids and the lows, which is basically in any sound that you hear, it's made up of broadly these 3 frequencies. These, as you can see in the front, they pack 2 6.5-inch full range subwoofers for the mids and thumping bass, and they've got 2 dedicated tweeters for the highs. So starting off with the highs are very sharp, and in my testing, they did not distort or crackle. I'm not saying they are the best quality highs that I've ever heard, but they are sharp and they do the job. Keep in mind, guys, this is a party speaker, and for the price that it comes in, which I'll get to, it does offer a lot, and it is definitely above average, way above average rather. So highs, good. Now coming to the mids, where the vocals lie, vocals also sound very, very good. I've done a number of testings with a number of songs of different genres. Unfortunately, I can't play them like many Hindi songs because of copyright issues, but trust me, the vocals sounded very good, very sharp. Again, one thing missing in the vocals is a bit of the warmth. So at times I felt that maybe in certain tracks, which I've otherwise heard on other speakers, the warmth in the voice was better. It was just a bit missing on this, but otherwise mids are a-okay. When it comes to the bass, strange thing I found is that when I'm at a distance in front of the speaker and in a more or less medium-sized room, the bass is quite good, and it's definitely for a party speaker and a speaker of this size. The bass is punchy and it's powerful, but the first thing that hits you is the volume and then everything else. So bass is definitely good, but again, I'm a bass head and I like really high quality, thick, round bass. At times I would feel that I could use a bit more bass, and yes, you can add more bass using the bass adjustment buttons. Even if you keep it to max, for most people, again, for most people, the bass will be more than enough. For me, I felt that I could use just a bit more bass, but this is me being really, really harsh on this. Being a bit more gentle and kind to this produces enough bass and good quality mids and highs for any gathering that you have, and it's going to be a-okay. But guys, if volume is a factor, man, this thing gets really, really loud and it's a very powerful sound. It also has true wireless stereo or TWS, so you can get two of these, pair them up, get 200 watts of output, get true left and right channel separation, and I think that is really going to be overkill for any party. But if you want that much sound, which is really going to shake everything, definitely you have that option as well. So that is my review. This right now is retailing for I think 7,999, so 8,000 Indian rupees. I think it is a steal if you get this at this price point. The MRP is 15,000 rupees, so I think some sale is going on Amazon. That's why you're getting it for this cheap. Maybe the price is going to rise later on, but if you want a speaker that is this good, that is, I mean, for the price with so many features packed into this, you can't go wrong with this. But mind you, it's not an ultra portable speaker, so don't expect this to be really light. It is quite heavy, takes up space, but this is mainly for your parties, your large gatherings where you just want to have fun, for your karaoke nights if you're into singing. It also comes with a remote, so yeah, it's got the entire package. So that's been my review, guys. Now I'm going to leave you with 3 tracks that I'm going to play through the speaker. You guys listen, form your judgment, and let me know in the comments below what you thought of this sound. So if you are looking to get a party speaker with all the bells and whistles that you can require, guitar input, karaoke input, wireless, wired mic input, echo control, you can record your jam sessions, LED lights, and really powerful sound quality, definitely go for this, because at this price point, I think this is a steal, and I'm sure the price is going to increase later on, but some sale is going on. So if you're looking for a party speaker, definitely get your hands on this and get it. And if you do decide to get this speaker, please use the link given in the description below. It's going to cost you nothing extra. You're going to get all the discount, but it will help me run this channel and produce more and more quality content just for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe to Purocast 9, hit like on this video, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.